Every strawberry season, I make this one special sandwich, and my kids wait for it like a festival. Today, I'm packing a super cute and healthy strawberry sandwich in my kids' snack breakfast box. But first, the most important step. Always soak your strawberries in salt water for 5 to 10 minutes. Because strawberries grow very close to the soil, they may carry dirt, tiny insects, or pesticide residues. Salt water helps to clean them deeply and safely. After soaking, rinse them nicely with fresh water. Now, until the strawberries are soaking, let's prepare our homemade strawberry hung curd. I've already hung 2 cups of fresh curd in a muslin cloth for a few hours. All the excess water has drained out, and now look at this. It's thick, creamy, and rich, almost like cream cheese, but much healthier. To this thick hung curd, I'm adding some freshly chopped strawberries and just 1 spoon of honey for natural sweetness. No sugar needed. Now blend it smoothly until it becomes creamy, pink, and dreamy. That's it. Homemade strawberry hung curd is ready. Strawberries are well soaked in salt water. Rinse them nicely, gently remove the little green crowns from the top, and reveal the bright red juicy part. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel so they don't make the sandwich soggy. I prepare this very often during strawberry season because it's simple, nutritious, and kids absolutely love the pink surprise inside. Let's cut the strawberries into even slices just like this. Try to keep them thin and uniform so they sit perfectly inside the sandwich and give a beautiful look when we cut it. Take a slice of multigrain bread. I'm using multigrain bread because it's more wholesome and nutritious. It has more fiber compared to regular white bread, which keeps kids fuller for longer. Spread a generous layer of our strawberry hung curd. Don't be shy, this is the hero of the sandwich. Now place the strawberry slices on top. These fresh strawberries are so juicy, sweet, and slightly tangy. They melt beautifully with a creamy hung curd. You can add as many slices as you like. The more strawberries, the more delicious every bite becomes. After layering the strawberries generously, I'm spreading 1 more thin layer of hung curd. This seals all that juicy goodness inside and makes the sandwich even more creamy and delicious. Trust me, this extra layer makes a big difference in taste. Gently drizzling a little honey on top. Just a light spread, not too much, because the strawberries are already naturally sweet. This touch of honey enhances the flavor and gives a subtle glossy sweetness in every bite. Trust me, this is one of the healthiest sandwiches ever. Rich in protein from the hung curd, fiber from multigrain bread, and vitamins from fresh strawberries. At the same time, it's so delicious, creamy, slightly sweet, and fresh. Perfect as a quick snack or breakfast option. If you're looking for an easy snack box idea that's healthy but still feels special, this strawberry sandwich is a must-try. Save this for the next strawberry season. And try tomorrow morning.